I'm Don Clark. I'm Vice President and General Manager of the Legrand BCS Services business. And today we're talking about our new Service Center of Excellence, a facility that we're very proud to roll out and have shown all of our business partners, our rep agencies, this week at our National Sales Conference here in Richardson, Texas. So we probably have 8 or so teams occupying the building, most of them in the services business for Legrand BCS. We have our tech support group, we have field services, customer service. We've got our Platinum Plus business unit, as well as our remote operations center. So one of our initiatives when we were designing this space was to utilize as much Legrand product as we can. So in addition to being a great place to work, we wanted it to be a showcase for all of Legrand's products, or as many of them as we could. One of the most important spaces in the facility are our laboratories. We've got both a commercial lab and a residential lab that are utilized primarily by our tech support groups. So as a tech support rep is on the phone helping an electrical contractor or facility director with an issue in their facility, they're able to walk into that lab while they're on the phone and actually put their hands on the same device that contractor might be looking at in the field and talk them through troubleshooting that issue that they may have. So coming into the facility today, I see it in our employees' faces. There's a sense of pride that this is a facility that they can be proud to say they work in.